To say that someone or something is bad.
Criticize. Criticize. The film was criticized for being too violent.
The act of protecting or state of being protected.
Protection. Protection.
This coat doesn't provide any protection against the rain.
A person who illegally enters buildings and steals things.
Burglar. Burglar. I saw someone climbing in through a window and assumed it must be a burglar.
To break something so that very thin lines appear on its surface but it does not separate, or to become broken in this way.
Crack. Crack. I cracked my tooth when I fell.
Used to change or correct something you have said.
Or. We told the truth, or most of it.
Extremely good.
Tremendous. Tremendous.
He's been a tremendous help.
When officials try to discover all the facts about something, especially a crime or an accident.
Investigation. Investigation.
Old boy.
The business of producing goods in large numbers.
Manufacturing. Manufacturing. Car or food manufacturing.
The protection of nature.
Conservation. Conservation. Conservation groups.
When someone looks after themselves and does not need money, help or permission from other people.
Independence. Independence.
It's important that parents should allow their children some independence.
Very large, great, strong, etc.
Tremendous. Tremendous.
A tremendous amount of money.
To give someone a piece of information that is surprising or that was previously secret.
Reveal. Reveal.
He was jailed for revealing secrets to the Russians.
When a country has its own government and is not ruled by another country.
Independence. Independence.
Mexico gained its independence from Spain in 1821.
Behavior or treatment that is fair and morally correct.
Justice. Justice. The winner has been disqualified for cheating, so justice has been done.
Annoyed or bored by something that you have experienced for too long.
Fed up. Fed up. I'm fed up with my job.
The system of laws which judges and punishes people.
Justice. Justice. They are victims of a miscarriage of justice.
Used to say what will happen if another thing does not happen.
Or. We must be there by 6, or else we'll miss the beginning.
When money or goods are given to help a person or organization.
donation, donation, donations of food and money,
To start to be used instead of the thing or person that is being used now.
replace, replace. This system will replace the old one.